Hi guys. Let's start with Powtoon. Powtoon, a dynamic tool to transform your presentation into animated video. Powtoon offers image libraries, small character animations, arrows, squares, text written with one hand. Also music, software library or your own music or voice. Free variant allows you to make videos of up to 5 minutes. But as you know, you do not become a video animator in 5 minutes. After designing your idea, you can record your reading of a well-constructed text and then create your animations. The plus: libraries by graphic style. No technical knowledge required. Direct broadcast on YouTube. Dynamic content. Alternative to PowerPoint. Is schematized very well. Clear, fun with maybe a humorous tone. Can be easily carried on social networks. Free application, maximum duration of 2 minutes. The dash. The important time to organize the content. Video not downloadable for the free version, it is visible only on YouTube. Powtoon allows you to make your presentations interesting. This is suitable for distance courses or training. On the platform at the end of the mouse, move images, insert dialogues, insert animations, etc. In addition to the different templates, you have access to a bank of images for your characters, forms, dialogue bubbles, transitions, etc. As you build your video you can fix it and improve it. Different formats are offered to share your presentation. As soon as your Powtoon video is complete, you can save it in various formats: paid version, PowerPoint, PDF, YouTube link, or insert it on Facebook, Instagram, on your website or blog. You will always be up to date since Powtoon is not installed on your machine. There is also an education version, but all versions have a watermark at the bottom right of the video. If you mind, you must go through the paid version. To sign in, click on Login, enter your Google, Facebook and LinkedIn credentials or register. On the dashboard, the control panel where will appear all the videos already created. Click Create a new video on it, either from an existing template or from scratch. You even have a switch that allows you to switch from simple mode to full mode. I let you discover Powtoon and create something that pleases. Have fun. That's all for today. See you in another video.